Hi, welcome. This is the introductory video to the OMI Vista systems. Two systems to show you. First is the install, afterwards we'll show you the OMI Vista Mobii. Either system will project onto a tabletop, onto a floor, onto a wheelchair tray, or onto a bed, or any other convenient surface where you want to display something interactive. In the case of the system we've got here, this is the install system. We're currently projecting onto a table. The install system is designed to either mount onto a ceiling or to replace a ceiling tile. And in the case of the one here, you can see that we've replaced a ceiling tile and the OMI Vista system sits up there out of the way. It's nice and safe up there. If there are any behavioural issues with users, then this system's safe because it's well out of the way. Okay, so we're seeing it projecting down onto the table. You can see how we're interacting with it. What I'll do is remove the table, and then you can see it projecting down onto the floor. So I'm just literally going to remove the table and it projects straight down onto the floor. So I'll be back. Okay, so here we are back. We've moved the table away and now you can see the system projecting down onto the floor. Now we've got a magic surface on the floor before we had a magic surface on the table. It works in exactly the same way. It's just projecting down onto the floor and now we interact with it with our feet. Okay, following this video, we'll introduce to you the OMI Vista Mobii system. The second product I'm going to introduce you to is the OMI Vista Mobii, sometimes referred to as Magic Table when it's being used to project onto a table. This is a portable unit. It is electrically height adjustable, so you can use it on different height surfaces. Very simple to operate. There's a power button on the side. One press starts the unit up. Another press turns the unit off. On the back of the unit we've got buttons that control the electronic riser, which allow us to raise and lower the unit. Okay, so we can use it on the floor, or if I bring a table in, and then bring it up, you can see how we can use it on a tabletop. The system will adjust itself dynamically to suit the height of surface that you're working on. So adjust that very slightly. There we go. We're now working on a tabletop. We have a very simple remote control for the install system and for the Mobii system. Both are laid out in exactly the same way, with navigation buttons at the top and an OK button in the centre to select the application that you want to work with. On the left hand side we've got volume up and down, and on the right hand side we've got the interactive freeze button, which allows you to lock the interactivity so that this application can't be interacted with. Various reasons for doing that, which my colleague Anna will explain to you later. In the case of the OMI Vista install remote, we have the power button to turn the system on and off on the top there. So with a double press of that button, that will actually turn the install system off.